I want you to look at this pencil. Now, this is just an ordinary pencil. There's not much to it. As you can imagine, for this pencil to be able to write, and for this pencil to be able to write clearly, it has to be sharpened over and over. And I want you to use this analogy and compare it with life. But now imagine that this pencil has feelings. Imagine how painful it would be every time it is sharpened. Imagine this pencil experiencing and going through the pain to lose itself to be able to be sharp again. And in order for this pencil to write clearly and to be able to keep on writing, it has to be sharpened frequently. Now I want you to think about this with the same comparison of life. The pencil is yourself, and every time, every few months, every few years, you have to go through pain, you have to go through suffering, you have to go through chapters of loneliness, whatever that is. But with the outcome to be able to write clearly again. The outcome of you going through these experiences is that you will become stronger. You will be able to use the losses, the lessons, and use them to your advantage. And this is the same about life. Life is all just like this. If you stop learning, if you are stuck in comfort, you will stop growing. If this pencil is not sharpened, it will stop writing. So, over and over again, we have to force it to be sharpened. And this will allow the pencil to remain efficient and effective. And the other perspective of this pencil is the eraser at the top. And this analogy will basically reflect on the fact that many of the mistakes in life are erasable. Many of the mistakes are reversible. When you are writing and when you are making a mistake, you typically just turn it over and just erase it. And that is the same concept. It's useless dwelling on the mistakes you've done yesterday, when in reality all you have is today. Erase it and keep on writing. That's the most important part, is to keep on writing. What happened yesterday is of irrelevance. As long as you take it as a lesson, you will learn and you will grow. Over and over again, you will learn and you will grow. And another thing is that when you are writing your own chapter. You are writing your own life. Don't try to write anyone's story. You have to write your own, and you have to carve your way to where you want to go. Don't try to copy someone else's handwriting. Be inspired, take inspiration from them, but don't copy it. Transfer it into your own story. And this is a very important aspect in life, which a lot of people neglect. A lot of people neglect the fact that you are writing your own story, not someone else's. And why would you want to write the same story of someone else and not letting yourself be yourself? Create your own destiny, create your own life, create your own reality. Carve your way, create, write, make mistakes, erase them, move on. This is the beauty of it. We are born into this world, each of us different than one another, yet we try to be someone else. And yes, we are all humans, we all make these mistakes, myself included. But it's about understanding and realizing that without wasting too much time doing so. So, yeah. And another point that I've come across this week was life has no meaning. Life has no meaning. Each of us are the meaning. Me, you, him, the others. Everyone has meaning in this life. And we are the ones that bring it to life. Life itself is meaningless. Think about it. What's life without human beings? Nothing. Just existence. Each individual has the meaning in this life. And it's about bringing it to life. Yourself, myself. It is a waste of time to be asking this question when we are the answer. But will you bring meaning to your life? Are you doing what you were set out to be doing? Or are you just wasting life without bringing any meaning to it? Ask yourself this question and reflect on it. Because this is the importance of aligning yourself and executing on what you were set out to be. And many people don't end up executing. Many people just exist. Do you want to live or do you want to exist? Your choice. Each and every day you wake up with a choice to make. And it's up to you to decide, do I just want to exist or do I want to live and bring meaning? And another thing this week that I've learned or gone through is we do not attract what we want in this life. We attract what we are. We attract what we are. So, a negative mindset will never attract a positive outcome. If we attract what we are, be happy. You are in control of your own thoughts. You are in control of your own life. If I'm in a happy mood and I say it to myself, it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. I'm gonna have a good day. That's the mindset. Life catches on. If I aspire to be successful, I am successful. I find myself to be successful. And that's the life I want to live, then that's who I will become. By repeating these affirmations, by repeating these things, that's who you will become. Life will catch on. Live the life you want to live. If I want to live a successful life, today I woke up and saying, I'm a successful person. I'm going to live a successful day. What's stopping you? Life will then catch on. Don't waste it. We attract what we are. We do not attract what we want. So by becoming the person you are, you set out yourself to success. Think about it. You must be an example of who you wish to become. You must live the life that you want to become. You must live the life that you wish to live. And you must talk positively in order for you to be able to think positively. So, if I'm on a negative vibration, there's not gonna be a positive outcome from that day. And it's okay to go through rough days. That's understandable. I go through rough days as well. I'm a human like you guys. But it's about understanding that what happened yesterday is on yesterday. Today, it's a good life. It's a good day. It's a good opportunity. It's a fresh new page. What's gonna stop me? And that is the perspective you want to have. That is the understanding of life. And once you start to live like this, you will become unstoppable. I've seen my mentality, my perspective on life go from 0 to 100 within a few weeks by implementing these changes. I've really seen big progress in the peace I feel within myself by going through these things. And that is why I'm doing this video. It's not because I saw it or I asked ChatGPT to do this for me. It's because I've been through this stuff. And it's a very powerful move that few people are willing to do or try. And I want you to look back and ask yourself these questions. These questions are the questions that you have to answer within yourself. So that's your homework. for this week. And that's the beauty of it. We live and learn. Don't stop learning. Don't stop sharpening. The pain that you're feeling today is the strength you're going to feel tomorrow. By going to the gym and feeling weak, you become strong. By going to the library, feeling stupid or ignorant, and reading, you become intelligent. So you must be willing and able to feel weak or stupid or a fool or whatever that is in order for you to advance, to live a better life. And that is the thoughts of today's video. So without further ado, I want you guys to think about what we just talked about, reflect, ask yourself these questions, and understand the perspective of it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys found this video useful, and I hope to see you in the next one.